I mean, what if you had a black hat and a cane like your own, you know, and then you look in the mirror and you're like, ah! It's like attacking me.
I don't know what you said, but nice.
So that's what you do. You just agree, and then hopefully they'll stop talking. Do 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 do. I feel like I think I only know 2 songs from the Ghetto Boys.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Do you know more?
No.
Because I know Mind Playing Tricks on Me, and I know, dang it, I just had it.
Still?
Damn it, feels good to be a gangster. That one.
Oh, not even still. You haven't heard that song? Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, steal.
Oh, that one, yeah.
Songs that we know, I just can't remember.
I didn't know that was Ghetto Boys.
Bogey's here.
Oh man, there's lots of people.
They just went behind us.
Yeah.
I've been playing a lot of Cyberpunk. I'm not ready for competitive.
You're not ready to not just hack their brains. Got one right there.
Well, I use throwing knives.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
Sounds like there's people with us.
I was about to say, wait a minute, why am I even chasing this guy?
Fuck these guys, that's why.
Where the fuck is this guy at?
I don't know, they're just running around. Wait, where the vault? The vault's over there, okay. I think they're taking it to B. Man, imagine if I was friends with the Ghetto Boys and then they said, hey man, you wanna get a hug? And I'd be like, yes. I've always wanted hugs. I've always wanted hugs. I broke it so they're on the ground floor.
I don't know where the fuck they are.
They're below you on the bottom floor. I don't even. There's someone to your left there. Actually, wait. Which one of you has the sniper rifle?
I have the sniper rifle.
Yeah, there was somebody. Toeth thine lefteth, brother. Oh, really? Okay, then.
No, bro. It's like, you got him. You got him, you hit him. Who's the big fat blue guy?
Come here. Come here, bitch.
That's Howdy.
Come here, bitch.
That's
Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch.
Get him.
Wait, where? Oh, there he is.
He juked the shit out of you.
Hey, whatever.
He's got a revolver, be careful.
Up one.
Stop shooting me!
Oh, at least you shot yourself.
Yeah, I'm not going out like a bitch. I die my own way.
I'm trying to steal it.
Reviving you. Oh, you're getting shot at.
Fuck! I'm dead.
I got you with the revive.
Might want to get the box. Nice. No, not nice.
As I say, I don't think you got it. Oh. What is the phone? Everybody, quickly, uninstall the game. Uninstall the game.
The heavies here can take everything to the head. They can take a whole 30 bullets, and they're like, man, this isn't so bad.
Well, I guess that they wouldn't be very good if they didn't have a lot of health.
Well, yeah. I killed multiple people there, but everything crashed, so me no.
You are trapped? Oh no.
Oh man, people didn't get to see us doing the cool kill because I accidentally got the thing crashy. So now I have to get another cool kill so I can show them that I'm cool! Mom!
Well, I'm popping off.
There's one more dude here, I think.
Ooga.
I'm at the cash out, I think. I got a C4 on the cash out at the moment. In theory.
We will see how long that lasts, brother.
Nice, thank
Oh, I
you.
forgot I can heal.
Heal me. I'm a large, beautiful
Behind-
lady. There's
Hammerman.
a Hammerman die. Oh, there's a. Oh, they're AFK.
There your minds go.
Trying to revive.
Oh, fuck.
Got another one.
You're going for the steal.
Oh, be careful. Please shoot that person.
Oh, I hated that.
Please revive me. If you can.
No, I just stay on the thing.
Oh, what? That also works. We did it! Yay!
Best team.
We're so cool. Look at us. Bucket hat. So powerful. The retros. Is this when Retrophile starts playing really loud and I can't hear anything anymore?
Hell yeah. Which would be fine if there was something worth a damn. But there's not. There's the ballerina set, but I'm a guy, so I don't fucking care.
Oh, it's in the game. Why would you do it like that? Why would you have like weird echoey reflecty noise so I can hear it?
Okay, so you heard that too.
Yeah, I was like, am I going crazy? Why would you do that? Is this the moment where I find out that I'm a schizophrenic?
I don't know if this game will last this long.
I don't know. I don't. They gave me a bucket hat. I don't require any more clothing.
I did not need to yell, but I need to get my frustration out. Sorry about that.
I need to yell. I don't know why, but now I'm just imagining going up through a McDonald's drive-through, going "fuck you" and going, "I'm sorry, that wasn't at you. It's just that, I need to get my frustration out."
Yeah.
I mean, that's kind of a dick move. Like,
Do you think you could just cheat on me, you bitch? I'm sorry, that's not directed at you. All women are whores. Yeah, also not directed at you. I'm sorry.
that makes it better.
I just can't stand myself around the female.
I can't understand these femoids.
Oh god, please don't say that. I don't know why I brought that up. God damn.
Oh, hey.
Just don't be right on the point.
Well, I killed them, so just...
Nice. I'll grab
Yeah.
it.
Ooh, very good.
Nice.
Good job. Who's a good boy?
Watch this shit.
Oh, this is the craziest shit. Oh hell.
He fucking ran. Get Cody.
I will be revived. I am Frankenstein. Haha. Ooh, got that one. Oh, okay. So charging is not actually super effective sometimes.
Ooh. Hammer time. Oh baby, a triple.
Oh, it's a tiny person with a knife. They are the deadliest of all. Kill.
Can you get the thingy? Or fuck, I might have to get it. Fuck, he's still there. You gotta click the elevator button on the post. Can we not knock it off? It looks like it's not even balanced on there.
It like does this thing where like every time it goes up, it like bounces.
Bounces.
Yeah, like it bounces up and down.
That's because someone's toggling the switch, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Shit, they're gonna win.
I'm stealing it. No! Hooked up.
That was unfortunate a minute.
Yeah. Those guys played really well.
Yeah, I guess it makes sense to go to the C point.
Yeah.
Maybe.
It's kind of really annoying to just have like one that's just an elevator. Although I guess they do that in the Vegas one as well, where there's one like literally inside of the elevator that you can make go up and down.
Yeah, well, that's at least inside the building.
Well, anyway, that was a lot of fun. I hit some people with a hammer, and then we blew people up, and it was good. And we lost some, and we won some, and it was all fun in the bun. So say bye-bye, boy.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you. God loves you. Bye. Love you. Bye.